morning, afternoon, whatever it is. I'm going to be doing a quick video on this Audi I've got here. And this is not going to be a big video because it takes too long to do it, but you can see what I'm getting. This Audi's been bumped, smashed the bumper here, it's knackered. This side already missing a fog light grille because it got knocked out by a pheasant. I've pulled this side off already. Pulled the top root, and you can see the wing. It's getting bumper, wing, grills, door repairs, and rear quarter repairs, and also a rear bumper repair. So yeah, I'm not going to be filming lots of it, but you can see the start and the finish of it, and maybe some bits in between. Right, I've got the arch liners out. So I can get the bumper off, and this wing off. He's been very lucky he's missed this headlight because these headlights are getting very expensive. New LED things are getting ridiculously expensive. Wing off, I got the new ones in the shed, the genuine Audi ones from TPS. And then once I get these on, I'll repair the doors in the rear quarter. The rear quarter is going to be the big job, I think. Well, the wing's off. Wing's off, as you can see. All the brackets are alright. I need to put this bumper retainer on. I need to get a new one of them. Pretty sure I ordered one, but I need to check my parts and patrolling the shed. Doors aren't bad. Bit of repairs to do on the doors, are not horrendous. This bit's the worrying bit. As you can see, there's going to be a tiny bit of repair to do here, so I'm going to go crack and see how I can get it out. I'm going to try and pull it out as best I can and then repair it, but see how we're going on. Well, that's the repairs done. Wheel arch is repaired, doors are repaired. Just got to prime it because it's a black, a dark colour. I'm going to prime the whole thing with a polyester primer, and then we'll flat the polyester primer off. Otherwise, you end up with mapping. Run why am I facing this? Because otherwise, you can end up with mapping. So you can sometimes see repairs, like the floating edges around the repairs. But if we prime the whole side with the poly primer. Sorry, I've only had one cup of coffee this morning. I've had a disaster. I went and bought some coffee from the shop because I ran out of coffee this morning. Got home and realised it was decaf. Proper disaster this morning. So yeah, we're going to prime the whole side, and then we'll flat the primer that's on. She's mashed up, just about ready to squirt some poly on. I've got the green gun with a 1.8 tip in it. I need to get better camera. So I'll just cover the main repairs first, and then I'll put a coat over the whole lot. So just quickly show you what's done. Yeah, you get the idea. I can't concentrate and do two things at once. So she's primed, just cooking it off the lamp now. On with this now. Brand spanking new bumper from Audi. Still got it repaired. It happens near enough every time you get them. You just got to check them over. It's just been marked, kicked around a bit. Nothing that can't be fixed, but stuff that didn't need to be done, it's got to be done. So I'll get that repaired. Haven't even looked at the wing yet, so yeah, nothing major, but we have had some bad stuff delivered from dealers. Like I primed it yesterday, as you see it. I cooked it off, got it flatted, and now we've prepped it. It's been scotched. I did that repair there, which you saw when I was messing up in the video earlier. Now I'm in the oven. We've got the poly sheet on. Well, I've got the poly sheet on, should I say. Just need to cut the poly sheet out, mask the poly sheet on, and then I need to bring in the bumper and the wing to paint them at the same time. But I'll bring them in once I get this done. It's masked up, wings in, bumpers in. Let's get squirting paint on. It's a bit late on the next update, but she's done. New bumpers on, all the grills are back in, new grills on. I can't show you on the other the other side grille because I've not got another plate on. I don't want to show another plate. New wings on and fitted, all gapped up. Doors repaired and painted, obviously. Rear quarters all done, hunky dory. She's hunky dory, yeah. Much better than she was. He's got to be happy with that. Nice shiny black and not written off. Yeah, so yeah. Hopefully he's happy with that. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video.